All right, moving files on your Android phone. Let's do this. First of all, the File Manager app depends on what phone you're using. So yours might look slightly different than mine. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy, so I'll go to the My Files app to view my files. I can manage files on both the internal storage and on my memory card. I'll go to the internal storage and then I'll just choose a folder and find a file that I want to move. To move a file, I can tap and hold it to select it, or I could now select multiple files if I want to. Then I'll use the controls on the bottom. I'll tap Move, and I can then choose the location where this file will be moved to. On the top, I can choose between internal storage and my memory card, and then navigate to the folder where I'd like to place the file. That's it. I can now go to that folder, and my file will be just where I placed it. Like I said, the File Manager app can look slightly different on different Android versions. And I believe on some phones the option to move files is hidden behind 3 dots towards the top of your display. So if you don't see the button, just make sure to select your file, look for the 3 dots, and access the Move function from there. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.